what's going on? Yes, this is day 7. Yes, so I took a break and now I'm back at it and I am ready to roll. The sun is shining and it is in the middle of the day. It is not the morning time, but yeah, so it is. I had to relax Sunday. You know how that is. So I'm so excited to get back into workout once again. I feel retanked. And yes, guys, how is your fitness experience coming along? Are you guys staying steady? I'm actually going on a week, guys. This is now a week. Yes, a week. So I'm really excited about any type of forthcoming, any type of enhancements that I've made. And I know everybody's like, what the hell is she talking about? What the heck is she talking about? Not the hell. What the heck is she talking about? No, guys, I'm like, if I made it a week, I see it as an accomplishment, I'm always happy that that I can keep the spirit going. Sometimes I have those days where I'm just like, oh. But in all honesty, I'm totally motivated, and especially when I see the sun, I really want to get out there and come on, let's get this body rolling. Let's get this body rolling. Have my music on, so I am ready to roll. Yes, I wish I could play the music that I was listening to. I just don't want to get copyrighted, but I was listening to Magic Juan. Magic Juan. Does anybody know Magic Juan? Well, I don't know if he's still making music, but he did a lot of merengue beats, I would say back in the 90s. But for me, his music is still popping, and every time I listen to him, I'm just like ready to roll. Gotta get the the cha-cha-cha. Okay, it's not cha-cha-cha, but the merengue beat in, and I don't know, just the music just gets you rolling and gets you going. So, I mean, whatever helps you get you going, then, put it on and turn it up loud. Have my music up blasting. Yes, I had my music blasting, so I know I'm running a mile a minute, but I'm excited. Yes, so, yeah. Okay, so let's get started, and, yeah. Thumbs up for the video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to hear more from me. I am doing vlogging. I'm vlogging the whole time because I want to lose some weight. So this is my weight journey. So I really appreciate you guys tuning in, and I hope you guys can get some inspiration from me, and also wanting to lose some weight and get the body and popping and in shape for the summertime. So, yeah, and like I said, this is my 7th day. I took a break yesterday, so I'm ready to get back on that cross trainer, stairs, and get the abs down, get some abs for the summer, and you can do it. Yes, yes, you can do it. Yes, yes. Okay, guys, see you then. And, oh, don't go nowhere. Stick around. Okay.